Hello, welcome to this week's Munchie Monday. My name is Kathy Brown, and I'm a Wellness Ambassador with Campus Recreation and Wellness. And today, we're going to make a heart-healthy fruit and veggie tray. So for today's Munchie Monday, we'll be making a heart-healthy fruit and veggie tray. Here we have assembled different fruits and vegetables that are good for your heart health. I have pre-washed and cut many of these vegetables and fruits, as well as washed my hands. So now we're just going to assemble the tray. So apples, they're a great source of fiber and easy to get at your local grocery store. And we have peppers, they're great for inflammation. We have tomatoes that are packed full of vitamins and minerals. We have cherries that are full of antioxidants that are good for heart health. And lastly, we have dried cranberries that are good for reducing the bad cholesterol, but also raising the good cholesterol. And all these fruit and vegetables contain a red pigment called lycopene that help prevent heart disease. Over here we have some sauces that you can also dip your fruit and veggies in, which we have ranch and cream cheese. And now enjoy.